Hey, this is MARIOGAMERKID. Gotta make this really quick because it's on my phone. I'm sick. It sucks. There's my new computer. It's an HP. Its video card is limited, so I can't use this as a gaming computer. I'm going to make my own computer, and I bought a gigabyte MA785G UDH3 or UD3H motherboard, 4 RAM slots, expansion and PCI slots, 6 USB, microphone and speakers, normal video, HDMI. And then it's got compatible with some AMD processors. That's it. I can't make the file too large, so I will see you guys later.